Alright guys, so welcome to my next video. Today we have something a little random and special. I was driving down the freeway today and I don't know, spotted something kind of random on the street. I guess it was an apparent like hit and run or a stolen vehicle or something, I don't know. But anyways, I was driving down the freeway and spotted people running from a crime scene, and as I drove up a little bit I spotted a flipped car and cops coming and all that stuff, and there were just three random people on the freeway running. Anyways, here's the clip and just watch it.
Yeah. Oh shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? You guys see that shit? Please tell me you guys saw that shit. Car fucking flipped and people were running for it. Holy shit! Did I just witness that? What? That car was flipped.
Anyways, here I'm gonna slow it down for you guys. As you can see three people running on the other side. Here I'm gonna put a little picture for you guys and then we'll circle it in a second. So as you can see, it's a female and two males just running in the street away from the crash. And now here's the scene with the car flipped. So as you can see straight ahead, there's a car in the background off the side of the freeway that's just flipped over there. And yeah, I don't know how that happened. Here's another closer shot of it so you guys can really see it. Yeah, it's right there, just flipped on its side as if someone did something and they were just running from it. I don't know, it was weird. It's on the freeway. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. I caught this on my GoPro. I don't even know how. I just randomly turned my head and there it is. So hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for more content coming up soon. Try to do as much as I can and see where this whole thing goes, and hope you guys enjoy and have a good day. Later.